got to the airport, there was a meet and greet that Northumbria organised for me, and I got to meet quite a lot of people there just waiting. They were in exactly the same experience in exactly the same place. We just arrived to Newcastle for the first time, and I'm friends with them ever since.
Okay.
The school actually take me from the airport to accommodation directly. When I get to accommodation, the reception tell me where I can buy things for me for settle in for the rest of the year. And your parents don't have to worry about when you move out and then live alone.
The Ask for Help team, because sometimes you don't know where to go, you don't know who's the right person to go to, even for some personal issues. You just go to them, then they tell you what to do and where to go. It's just amazing.
The teachers provide very good help with regard to your essays. You get to develop more writing skills. That's one of the best facilities, the support which is provided apart from just the regular classes.
As an international student, I've been given a lot of opportunities to branch out and make a lot of connections with new people. The uni provides a lot of opportunities for international students to get to know each other, as well as to provide international students with a standard of CV writing and job preparations to get ourselves job ready, not only for our students in the UK, but also back home in their countries.
Career development, where you get help for your CV, building your resume, getting prepped for an interview, and any queries regarding your visas. If you want to travel abroad, I think they have a very good support system there.
We have a year out for placement, which provides you a year inside the university. You still got the connection with the university, and they help you out with jobs. And if you have any issue when you do your internship, they get in contact with you and try to help you out with your personal issues even. So I think that's very helpful.